It looks oily. See that separation in there? But it's oil-free. Hey everyone, I'm Tiffany, and today I'm giving you the rundown on Cetaphil Gentle Makeup Remover. Now you notice in the title, they call it Makeup Remover. I mostly use this to take off my eye makeup. It works great on my waterproof mascara. It's really gentle, but because it's oil-free and say someday I'm just packing on the makeup, I'll use this on a cotton pad to take off both my eye makeup but also the rest of my makeup. And because it's oil-free, I'm not worried about it making me break out. It's actually made with botanicals, aloe vera, green tea, and ginseng. Really nice for your skin. I find that after I use it, my skin doesn't just feel clean, it feels kind of refreshed, moisturized, but not greasy. So before I use it, I just give it a shake. I pour a generous amount onto a thin cotton pad, but you don't need to put too much onto that cotton pad, and this bottle has already lasted me a couple of months. I hope this review was helpful for you. Stay positive, be kind, and I'll see you next time.